what might an experiment look like for us. We knew that what we wanted to do, we wanted to do something that was authentic to our brand and something that was meaningful and that would add value in that Web3 space. And I think at the beginning, we didn't really have a very clear idea ourselves of what we wanted to do there. We got quite distracted, I think, by reading a new different thing every day that was coming out that was really exciting, and wondering how that might fit with our brand. We've definitely got more into a mindset now that this will be much more like an experiment with no guaranteed returns. Things are going to change still quite a lot, and we don't really know what's going to happen. So it's more of an evolving, interesting experiment more than a guaranteed we'll do this and that will happen and then move on to the next thing. So I think we've moved away from thinking it's going to be really formulaic into much more of a evolving type of thing that we can learn from.
When cars were invented, it was quite obvious what the development was over riding a horse. You know what I mean? It's like, we haven't got to that stage yet, I don't think. So playing is the only thing we can do. But I think very quickly, suddenly, that will probably ramp up quite quickly as the real use cases start kicking in and people start doing really interesting things.
Take our brand as an example, as you said, it's a real heritage brand. So I think there's obviously the initial thing, which is the worry of doing something that you don't really understand that much about.
It's maybe like an experiment that kind of starts off like, oh, this would be amazing, and then they do it and they kind of go, oh, actually, it wasn't as successful as it maybe could have been. But then there is something to talk about, because you can kind of say, yeah, look at the space that we're in, we're current. But I think as time goes on, it will become more obvious what those real use cases are.
I think it's sort of genuine curiosity and also just a kind of asking people for help, because we really do need it and don't understand it all that well ourselves yet. Obviously making it fun, yeah.